First, let's make sure we're working with the correct key fob. This tutorial applies specifically to the 2005 to 2007 Jeep Liberty and Chrysler Pacifica models. Before you start, confirm the battery type required. Most of these fobs use a CR1220 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, although some variants use CR2032. Check the back of your fob or the original battery to confirm the correct type. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the case safely. Locate the small notch or seam on the edge of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it to avoid breaking the plastic clips. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the two halves of the key fob case back together, ensuring a tight fit. Test the fob to confirm the new battery is working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center.